welcome to today's video. So I already started decorating my living room. I'm sure some of you might recognize this centerpiece. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above. I started setting out a few items, but the real thing we're going to be decorating in this room is the mantle. It's all cleared off and ready to go. Let's hop right to it. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Okay, so you're going to notice a theme in my mantle decor here. Yes, this says welcome to our pumpkin patch, but all of my pumpkins that I'm going to place up here, none of them are going to be orange. I'm trying to just do some nice muted tones here in the living room. And best of all, I can't wait to show you what we do in the dining room because we're going to do something different and not use one single pumpkin for our fall decor. But stay tuned for that. Let's finish up this mantle. It's already looking so great. How this turned out. It's just nice and simple, not overdone, super clean looking. I cannot stand when my mantle just looks like a big giant cluster. Lily approves. Okay, next up we're going to start with the buffet in my dining room. I'm just going to kind of sit back and let you watch, and you guys let me know what you think. Just an FYI, all the apples that you're going to see in here is a mixture of faux and real apples. Paying attention to the little details can really make your decor stand out. Now this is a good looking apple cider bar. Okay, next up, let's set the table. And you know me, you better iron that stuff. There's no wrinkles allowed. This had me completely cracking up. This bamboo plate holder is the perfect foundation to start our fall table setting. This is a terracotta pot that I painted black, and we just added some fall foliage and cute little apples. Here I'm just placing the silverware on the upper half of the plate just to kind of have a contemporary setting. Mason jars definitely say fall. I'm going to place them on the opposite ends of each other just to keep the middle open for our centerpiece. I picked up this sign last year on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I think they're selling them again this year, but I got mine for like $2, so I'm gonna go ahead here and paint it and make my own cute sign. The perfect sign for our dining room: autumn skies and apple pies. No pumpkins here. So I absolutely love this centerpiece, but when I put the faux apples in the water in that vase, I don't know why, but 4 of them wanted to constantly float to the top. So ta-da! I made a bow to go around the space because no matter what I did, I could not get them to all just float evenly. This is so darn cute. Okay, so we're going to totally switch it up, and now we're on the hutch in the kitchen, and this is where I just went crazy with all the orange and pumpkins and everything, and I love this little truck. I had to use my Cricut and put Weiser Farm on there. It's so appropriate. And then this year they have the cutest little fall gnomes. I'm totally obsessed with them. Easy ideas to decorate your house is just put out a tea towel, put a cute little wall plug-in in your bathroom. You don't have to get crazy. Just add a pillow to your bed and bam, you're done. Your house can just look so cute and not overdone. Now it's time to sit here and enjoy some pie. Bye-bye, guys. This is hilarious.
3, 2, 1.
Come on in.